It's been absolutely wonderful to work with 4 different schools across Battersea to create brand new original pieces of music that are going to work as like a film trailer for the Royal Philharmonic Orchestra concert at Battersea Park at the end of August. There's been so much amazing creativity, ideas, imagination flying around in the classrooms, and so brilliant to be able to bring it together to create these brand new works.
In workshops like this, I think that the young people are picking up on our musical input, they're learning about the different instruments from the orchestra, and then they're making a big composition all together with our workshop leaders, and then they are managing to do a big performance at the end of that.
It's incredible that one school have never met the other school, and yet within the space of a morning we've created a piece of music together. They both have autonomy, they've both had input into the music we've created, and they've worked together, which is an extraordinary thing.
It's so rewarding to see how young people respond to professional music making, because we are asking them to join us in being professional musicians for this event. We are asking them to really up their game and be creative, to step out of their comfort zone. And actually sometimes that involves us stepping out of our comfort zone as well, which I think is absolutely crucial for musicians to maintain that sense of creativity at all times.
The children have been absolutely amazing. They've been so inspired watching the RMPO musicians playing. Some of their faces as they're watching a violin being played, it's just the most amazing connection, an amazing thing to see. They have just brought so much energy, so much enthusiasm, and as I say, just so much creativity that we've been able to channel into these pieces of music. It's been an absolute joy and an inspiration for me as a composer. It's so brilliant to see that process happen through them.
I've never composed music before, but I enjoyed this first time experience.
I learned today that the double bass makes the lowest sound.
My favourite part of the day was when we were singing. Today we learned that different bits you put together can sound amazing.
When I'm older, I would like to play the flute in front of a crowd.
It's really wonderful that these workshops and this whole project can really start to inspire young people. Hopefully projects like this can just really encourage that and get people making music at every single stage in their life.